Good day and welcome to the channel. In this very short video, we're going to show you how to upgrade the firmware on your Brother laser printer. So we just completed a video on how to reset the password on a Brother laser printer, and I'll put a link in the top right hand corner if you need to do that, because the password that's on the back of your printer is only the initial default password, and it requires you to change it the first time you sign in. If you can't remember it, you can't do the upgrade. Let's assume you've got the password. You probably knew you had an upgrade to do because there was a nag screen at the bottom right hand corner. However, if that's gone away and you want to get into it again, just go to your Brother iPrint&Scan. This app will come up and you'll notice the little yellow arrow. Click on that and then you'll have to enter the password. Click OK. And you'll notice your printer says program updating. And the Wi-Fi light, at least in my case, is flashing. That took about 2 minutes to complete, and the printer rebooted twice. At this point, your machine is updated. Click close. So hey, if you found this video useful, big thumbs up would be super appreciated. Subscribe's also appreciated. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly here at www.urtech, that's www.urtech.ca, or you can leave a question or comment below. And if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because you know on YouTube, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a good one. Bye-bye.